Hey, so if you're getting an export failed error in Clipdrop, yeah, like your image won't download, save fails, or the export just stops halfway, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet is stable. Exporting needs a steady connection to send the final file. Next, yeah, click export again. Temporary glitches can cause a failed download or save process. Now, very large or high resolution images can fail to export. Try using a smaller size or compressing the image. Yeah, make sure you're exporting in JPG or PNG. Wrong format settings can cause export failure. Now, browser extensions can block export scripts. Try disabling them temporarily. Yeah, open Clipdrop in incognito mode. This removes cache and extension conflicts that affect exporting. Now, corrupted cache can break export functions. Clearing cache often fixes this issue. Yeah, switch to Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Browser issues can cause export failures. If nothing works, Clipdrop servers might be down. Export features won't work during outages. So yeah, that's how you fix Clipdrop export failed errors. Most of the time, it's file size, browser issues, or server problems. Try these steps and your export should work again. Thanks for watching.